Hi everyone, this is Walid, Project Manager at the Willoughby grounds. A lot has progressed since our last update. Inside Building B, we're in the final stages, completing patching and applying the last coat of paint to bring the interiors to a polished finish. In Buildings C, D, E and F, we're installing built-in joinery and laying the final levels of timber flooring. Externally, blockwork and stormwater infrastructure are being installed around the podium and planter boxes. Over on Walter Street, we're upgrading the stormwater system as part of our public domain improvements. Over the next few months, in Building B, we'll be conducting a thorough defect identification process and working on rectifications. For Buildings C and D, we'll be progressing towards the final stages. For Buildings E and F, our focus will be on finalizing all of built-ins and all of the flooring, followed by the final coat of paint. One of the key factors that sets Dasco apart is we have maintained a 4.5 Gold Star iCert rating for a third consecutive assessment. It showcases our dedication to quality, compliance and transparency, reinforced by unwavering trustworthiness.